Hello, what's up, my people? This is your guy MKFX, and on this video, I'm going to be showing you my strategy, how I analyze my charts, and also giving you free signals which you can possibly trade this week and make money. If this is your first time watching my video, please do well to hit the subscribe button, follow my Telegram community through the link down the description, and also if you have anything you want to ask me, follow me down on my WhatsApp contact. Just click, there's a link there. It's going to take you to my WhatsApp, which you can ask me any question which you wish to ask. So let's go straight to the pairs that I'm going to be trading this week and analyze this pair with my strategy and how we end up with a signal that you can possibly trade. So today we are going to be starting with GBP, JPY. Today we are going to be starting with GBP, JPY. So what are we going to be looking at on GBP, JPY? Let's start from the weekly time frame. Let's start from the weekly time frame. It's a top and down analysis. So from the weekly time frame, we can clearly see that price, we have this high here. This is the most recent high, and here's the most recent low that price has created on the weekly time frame on GBP JPY. So I'm going to mark out this high and this low, and we are going to be trading between this range as we scale down to lower time frames on GBP JPY. And as we can see bullish candles printing to the upside, showing that the bulls are more in the market. So let us go down to lower time frames and see how we can trade between this range. Are we going to be selling or buying? Let's go down to the daily time frame. Okay, guys, as we all can see on the daily time frame, price is currently trending to the upside in that range which we spotted on the weekly time frame. As you can see, we have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure here to the upside, and we have another break of structure here. At this point, we have another break of structure. So here is the last break of structure we had to the upside, and our origin is here. Here's the other block that caused that break of structure. Here's the other block that caused that break of structure. Now, guys, as we can see, price is already in this other block, and we can see the rejection already to the upside. So are we going to be buying GBP JPY now? No, this is the daily time frame, and it's very risky for us to be buying here. So we are going to scale down to lower time frames to see how we can adjust this zone, to have a proper order block and a better entry to the upside. And we are going to be targeting this high here when we get our entry. So let's go down to the 2 hours time frame and see what price action is giving us. Okay, guys, on the 2-hour time frame, we can clearly see this is the break of structure or the last break of structure we had on the daily time frame. So here is the daily time frame break of structure. A lot of people must have marked this zone here as a break of structure and this as their origin, and they are already out. So let's adjust our order block to the 2-hour time frame order block. So on the 2-hour time frame, we can actually choose this order flow as our points of interest. And what has happened, price has tapped into it, and we can see the rejection already to the upside. We can already see the rejection to the upside. But are we still going to be buying GBP JPY here? No, we can go down to lower time frames. Now, you can see our order block, and we can clearly see that we have liquidity resting up here on GBP JPY. We have liquidity, and price have been able to clear out that liquidity, and it is pushing back to the upside. Will price continue to push here to the upside, or will it drop back? That question cannot be answered now. Let's go down to the 30 minutes and see what price is doing. All right, guys, on the 30 minutes, we can clearly see that price is giving us break of structure to the downside, and here is the last high that we had on the GBP JPY. So if price should come and break above this high, then inside is going to be a change of character. Then we are going to find an order block down, which we are going to use as our entry. That's if price should push from here and break above that. But if price keep dropping, and for us to get an aggressive entry, we are going to wait for price down here. We are going to wait for price here. Now let's go to our final entry time frame, which is the 15 minutes. Now on the 15 minutes on our zone here on the 15 minutes, we can clearly see now that we have let me adjust this, guys. Okay, here is our order block on the 15 minutes. So we can have an aggressive entry from here if GBP/JPY should drop again, because we have our order block, our fair value gap, and our liquidity resting here. And also, this zone was able to give us a change of character to the upside. As you can see, here was the change of character here. Here was a change of character at that point. Now, why did I choose this as a change of character? Why did I choose this as a change of character? We can see that this high was able to give us a break of structure to the downside. Here, this high was able to give us a break of structure. So it means it was a strong high. But what happened? Price was able to clear that high to the upside. And here was the origin with our order block and our fair value gap. So back to the, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So guys, if price should drop to this zone, from where price is, if price should drop to this zone, then we are going to get an aggressive entry without any entry confirmation from here to the upside, targeting this high, which is about 371 pips. And we are going to be risking 25 pips on this trade. That's if price should drop here aggressively. But if price should continue pushing, if remember, price is already at the premium, at the discount level, if you want to use our Fibonacci tool from the swing low right up to the swing high, what are we going to see? We are going to see that this is the premium level and here is the discount level. And price has already tapped into the 0.78 discount level, which means price can actually reverse from where it is. Price can actually reverse from where it is. So if price should give us a confirmation entry that is breaking above this high, then we are going to find an entry down here around this zone, because it's still at the discount level which we can buy from. So from here, price can push to the upside. But if price should give us the privilege to drop back down here at this extreme low, then we are going to get an aggressive entry. But if it breaks above here, then we are going to look for an order block, because it's going to be a confirmation entry from here, and then we buy to the upside. So here's my full technical analysis on GBP JPY. Our next pair we are going to be looking at is going to be Euro USD. Sorry, let's look at Euro. Sorry about that. Let's look at Euro USD. No electricity and my PC is running down. Guys, we are going to end this video here, and probably we are going to have Euro USD and NZD card soon or within our next video. So if it's your first time watching my video and you love the analysis I just did on GBP JPY, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also share it to friends. Why? Join my Telegram community, where I'm going to be sending other setups and their signals on my Telegram channel. You can get access to this through the link down my descriptions. You all have a blessed trading week, and I wish you all the best. Signals will be sent in my Telegram community. One love. Don't forget to subscribe.